What just happened?
Your Honor, esteemed members of the jury, we must not be swayed by the distractions of this unrelated events. We are here to discuss a grave matter, the accusation of murder against Mr. John Doe. We have evidence that cannot be overshadowed by trivial school affairs.
Objection, Your Honor. We beg to differ. These school events are not trivial but integral to our client's alibi and character. Let us address them one by one.
Your Honor, we must object to this line of argument. We are here to discuss a murder case, not a school calendar.
Overruled. The defense may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. On Monday, 9 October, John Doe attended the Year 8 to 9 CAS Trips webinar. This exciting event showcased the choices of trips and promised a great time for all participants. It is important to note that John Doe actively participated in this webinar, as verified by the attendance records, and an attendant party missed some.
Objection, Your Honor. While defense attempts to establish an alibi for their client, we countered their argument with another school event that took place on the very same day. The HK Mini University Fair was held on Tuesday, 10th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Parents and students were invited to attend such an opportunity in order to make the most of this event. So it is highly unlikely that John Doe could have attended both events simultaneously, thus weakening the defense's claim. My next witness is a student who participated in this very HK University mini fair.
Your Honor, I can attest to the value of the Hong Kong University mini fair. It provided me with invaluable information about different universities, their programs, and admission requirements. It helped me to make informed decisions about our future education.
No further questions, Your Honor.
The prosecution's counter-argument is valid. The defense may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. We acknowledge the presence of the HK University Mini Fair on the same day. However, it is crucial to note that John Doe did not attend the fair. Instead, he was involved in the Year 6 map test that took place from 1:45 to 3:40. These tests were held in the auditorium, providing a verifiable location for our client during the alleged time of the crime.
Like, Your Honor, while the defense presents a Year 6 map test as evidence, we offer another school event that occurred as well. Like the Year 10 to Year 11 CAS Trip webinar had been held from 6 to 7 p.m., overlapping with the defense's claimed alibi. So this raises doubts about John Doe's participation in the Year 6 map test. And it suggests that it could have been attended by a webinar instead.
Objection. Nonsense. Those times do not overlap in the slightest. We have testimonies and attendance records to support our claim.
Overruled. The prosecution's counter-argument is valid.
Huh? What?
No way.
Thank you, Your Honor. We strongly dispute that the defense's conjecture by drawing attention to the parent workshop about scholarships, competitions, and student recognition. This workshop took place online from 7 to 7:45, allowing participants to attend from the comfort of their very own little homes. And the defendant, John Doe, would have potentially attended this workshop, as indicated by Exhibit A Zoom link on the accused calendar on Thursday, 12 October. This workshop promised the discovery of new opportunities, which would have been of great interest to the defendant. Therefore, we should cast heavy doubt on his alibi.
Your Honor, it is crucial to consider other significant events in the defendant's schedule. Firstly, we must note that John Doe eagerly awaited the release of the Year 11 and Year 12 reports on Friday, 13th October. This anticipation demonstrates his focus and preoccupation with his academic performance.
Additionally, during the same period, the sign-ups for CAS trips for all year groups took place, beginning on Thursday at 8 p.m. and concluding on Sunday at 11 p.m. Given these circumstances, it would have been virtually impossible for the defendant to commit the alleged crime while juggling these important school-related matters.
We maintain that the defense's argument is based on mere speculation and the assumption that John Doe attended every school event. Furthermore, we have established his presence at the Year 6 map test, which refutes the prosecution's unfounded claims.
This is becoming absurd, Your Honor. These events have no bearing on the murder case.
Counsel, I implore you to find relevance in your arguments.
Understood, Your Honor. We move swiftly to the ad break. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now advertise your events, clubs, and fundraisers through @you at vsa.edu.hk on the school news, and shown to the entire student body. Voice and edit services are available to amplify your message. This can highlight your event to the whole school community, which our client actively participates in.
Yep.
Your Honor, This is just a desperate attempt to deflect the attention from serious allegations.
Overruled. Counsel, your arguments have been duly noted. The jury will now deliberate based on the evidence presented.
We, the jury, have decided that John Doe is not guilty.
What?
Yes,
we
yippee,
did it.
Justice prevailed.
Court is adjourned.
Yippee!
3:28 a.m.
That's for taking my wife.